Hey, so I'm going to try to pop Firecracker live on Facebook and see if you guys can get the gist or hear me over. It's kind of loud. I've got a dehumidifier running in the workshop as well as an air conditioner to keep the humidity down because humidity is popcorn's enemy. And so that, along with the sound of the kettle, it could be pretty dramatic. Anyway, we're going to try it and see what happens. I've already got the pilot light lit on the kettle, and the oil is already in there. I already decided I need to do it again and show you putting the oil in. But anyway, so the oil's in, and I'm ready to pop. So I'm going to move the camera down so you can see the process. That's my area down there. And I'm going to put my bandana on, keep myself from getting oil in my face, and my gloves. The whole thing is pretty dangerous. All right, here we go. Let's see if this works. I'm going to turn on the automatic stirrer. I'm going to turn the kettle on. Visual thing. I'm using cold pressed corn oil. It really helps give the kettle corn its extra corny flavor. You see a little bit of smoke, we're going to put our what makes popcorn pop is the moisture inside the kernel. So as it begins to pop, you get a lot of steam coming up through the sides of the lids here. And so you always want to keep your steam down. You want to get the moisture away from the corn so that it stays nice and fresh. Gotta wait for just the right time to put in the organic sugar. It mixes with the oil and makes a gravy. It kind of retards the popping for a minute, and then when it starts popping, all of the corn pops up through the sugar oil gravy, and that's why it's so beautifully evenly coated. The tricky part is putting in the pepper. The right side, right about right. put it in the receiving table. Turn our kettle down, turn that off. Now we're going to salt it. Gotta get this stuff on pretty fast so that it will stick. Only a little bit of squeeze. Want to get the salt all on it. And also it's really important to get it spread out so that as it cools, the moisture escapes. It's vital for keeping your popcorn crisp for a long time. You don't want the popcorn to clump, so let that cool. Take off some of our safety gear. Open the door. Let some of the smoke out. Okay. All right. I'm going to turn it off now and see how this did. I appreciate you watching.